Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss MCQ on Indian Constitution. First question: which statement is not correct in case of sovereignty of India? Look at the options. India is not dependent on any other country is the right statement. Second option: India is not a colony of any other country is also right statement. India can give any part of the country to any other country is also right statement. The wrong statement is India has obligation to obey the United Nations in its internal statement is not correct in case of sovereignty of India. Second question: the Constitution of India was framed by the Constituent Assembly under Cabinet Mission Plan of 1946. The Constituent Assembly was formed with respect to Cabinet Mission Plan of 1946 sent by then Prime Minister of British Clement Attlee. The idea of Constituent Assembly was put forward for the first time by M.N. Roy. M.N. Roy was the first person to propose the Constituent Assembly in order to frame the Constitution of India. Fourth question: the composition of a Constituent Assembly was means total members present in the Constituent Assembly was around 389. The members of Constituent Assembly were elected by the legislation of various provinces and nominated by the rulers of princely state. Who among the following was the constitutional advisor of a Constituent Assembly? Who is the advisor of Constituent Assembly? Sir B.N. Rao was the advisor of Constituent Assembly. Members of Cabinet Mission. There were 3 members in the Cabinet Mission. First member is Patrick Lawrence, who is considered as the chairman of a Cabinet Mission. Other 2 members are A.V. Alexander, Stafford Cripps. And the right answer will be all the above. The Indian Federation is based on the pattern of Canada. Who was the president of Constituent Assembly? The president or a chairman of Constituent Assembly was Dr. Rajendra Prasad, whereas vice president was H.C. Mukherjee. Who was the chairman of drafting committee of a constitution? Who is the chairman? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is the chairman of drafting committee and he considered as the chief architect of Constitution of India. Who designed our national flag? Who designed our tricolor flag? It was designed by Pingani Venkayya. Who moved the objective resolution in the assembly on December 13, 1946? Objective resolution was moved by Jawaharlal Nehru when on December 13, 1946. The time taken by the Constituent Assembly to frame the Constitution was around 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. This much time taken by the Constituent Assembly in order to write the Constitution. By which name is our country mentioned in the Constitution? Bharat and India was mentioned in our Constitution. What is the true meaning of secular? India is a secular country and the meaning of secular is all religions are equal in the eyes of government. All religions are equal in the eyes of government is the meaning of secularism. What is the meaning of social equality in the Indian Constitution? What is the meaning of social equality? Equal opportunities for all the sections of a society. Social equality means equal opportunities for all sections of a society. The language of preamble of Indian Constitution is taken from the Constitution of Australia. It is taken from the Constitution of Australia. The first session of Constituent Assembly was held on 9th December 1946. During this session, Sachidananda Sinha became temporary chairman or president of Constituent Assembly. Second session was held on 11th December 1946. During this session, Dr. Rajendra Prasad became permanent president of Constituent Assembly. S.C. Mukherjee became vice chairman of Constituent Assembly. On 13 December 1946, objective resolution was passed by Jawaharlal Nehru. 19th question. The Constitution of India adopted by Constituent Assembly celebrated on 26 November 1949. The Constitution of India adopted by Constituent Assembly on 26 November 1949. That's why 26 November is celebrated as Constitutional Day, Samvidhana Divas. 22nd July 1947, on this day, tricolor flag was accepted as a Indian flag. On 28th August 1947, drafting committee was formed and chairman of drafting committee was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. 26th January 1950 is celebrated as a Republic Day because our constitution came into force. What is the meaning of term liberty? Liberty means right to express anything is the meaning of a liberty. Right, these are the 20 questions which are important for examination. Thank you for watching the video.